That was the prevailing view for a long time that, we grow our brains as children and during adolescence. And by the time you're in your 20s, your brain has done all the growing it's going to do. And now it's just this progressive shrinking over the rest of your life. And, over the last few decades, we've realized that's not true, actually, that you can generate new neurons, especially in key areas of the brain, like the hippocampus that's associated with memory. And that growth of new neurons may be the key to preventing or staving off these neurodegenerative diseases that have this big impact on the aging brain. And so, if we can find ways to do that, and what I study is kind of doing that through physical activity and exercise, then we might be able to prevent some of the cognitive decline people experience with aging, maybe even stave off or prevent the development of Alzheimer's disease or other dementias.
What evidence have scientists got that we can actually grow our brain?
The evidence in humans is a little trickier. So I can talk more about the evidence from animal models, because with animal models, you can actually look inside the brain and see what's happening after, say, an exercise intervention. So there have now been many, many studies, especially in mice and rats, where researchers have shown that if you give them access to running wheels, or if you have them run on a treadmill, that you actually generate new neurons, and those neurons survive and get integrated into key parts of the brain. And we focus a lot on the hippocampus because it's so important to memory, which is a major aspect of being human, is being able to remember things. And researchers have shown very clearly that exercise and physical activity in these rodent models leads to the birth and survival of new neurons.